I chose Oregon Law.
I chose Oregon Law.
I chose Oregon Law.
I chose Oregon Law.
I chose to go to Oregon Law for many reasons, but I would say that the top reasons would include I really wanted a place where I would feel at home, I wanted a place that had a great reputation and had a name that everybody recognized, and I wanted to go to a school where I knew that I would fit in. One of the amazing things about Oregon Law were all of the opportunities, from all the different classes to all the different networking events, but also to all of the clubs and organizations that I could belong to. But my favorite was being a part of the Student Bar Association. I was our 3L class representative, and I got to help plan our graduation. And when I helped plan that graduation, I realized that was something I really enjoyed doing. I loved the law, but I also loved fundraising, and I loved getting people together and having a good time. And I think that's what inspired me to not only practice law for a while, but then to become an executive director of a law firm where I do a lot of marketing, event planning, and really overall networking in the community. I have to say, I really enjoyed all of the faculty members that I worked with at University of Oregon School of Law, but my favorite was definitely Professor Moffitt, today known as Dean Moffitt. I took his ADR class and loved every minute of it. I learned and I got to be innovative, and I think that's what going to law school is all about. Studying ADR with Professor Moffitt was a tremendous experience. Why? Basically because it was one of the only programs in the nation that had a teacher that really knew what ADR was about, where it was going, and how to get there. I learned so much from him, and not just by sitting in class, but by doing, and by practicing, and by putting my foot in the door every day in his class. Going to law school was a big decision, and I'm really glad that I chose University of Oregon School of Law for a lot of reasons, but mostly because it was a great experience. I met amazing people, I got a stellar education, and it set me up to do whatever I wanted in my future, and I chose to go to Oregon Law.